Hello guys, it's me Deepstone. Today we are learning See You Again, the Fast and Furious song by Charlie Puth and Wiz Khalifa. There are 4 chords in this song. The first chord is E minor. The second chord is G major. The third chord is C major. And at last you need a D major chord. So the strumming pattern will be like this. So first in the verse you need to do just one downstroke. Without you, my friend. So just one downstroke. So in the rap part you'll need to strum like this: down, up, tap, then G major. Now at the G major you just need to do the D major chord 2 times down down. Then change the chord, C major, same strumming as E minor, down, up, tap, then G major. Then at the end of G you just need to do D, down down. So it will sound like this. So the intro part is play on the third string open, like on the C major, or you can do like this: third string open, then second string on the third fret, then second string on the first fret, then third string open again. So it will be, then second string on the first fret, then third fret of the second string, then first string open, then again second string on the third fret, then first fret of the second string. So it will sound like this. Then back to third fret of the second string. So it will sound like this. So it will be like this. Or you can do like this on the C major chord. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, then please do subscribe and share.